Is there a cat? Is there a lion? Is there a tiger? Is there a moose? Hey, is there something that we don't know is there? And then, what's there? Let's look around and see what we can see.
What do you notice about the creek?
The creek has got a lot higher, and we might get higher today, but we don't know. So, we'll find out. Bye.
Yeah, of course. They're kind of stuck in a whirlpool right here. See them right below us?
Yeah, they stick different ways, like different paths on it. Like that, kind of like that. They're taking different paths on the stream. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
So the stream lies here, so maybe some of the sticks are going down the other side.
Hey, you can take a picture of it. Like up there.
You can see it?
See it if it's right up there.
Wow, I do see it. Blackbird! What do we know about this bird, Oliver?
A robin has a pretty chest on it, and it has sort of a long tail, and it's kind of black, and it has some black stripes at the end of it. So that's what we know of a robin.